Hello students, today we are going to study English grammar topic active and passive voice. Before we start this topic, let us understand the meaning of active and passive. If we understand the meaning of these two words, we will understand the whole topic very easily. The word active means energetic and the word passive means lazy. Now, why they are called active and passive voice sentences? In active sentences, our subject is active. He is the doer of action. Whereas in passive voice, subject becomes passive or given less importance. That is why the sentence is called passive. Now, let me give you the introduction of this topic. In English, there are two types of voices, active voice and passive voice. Now, active voice is one when subject is doing the work itself. It means subject is the doer in the sentence, and that kind of voice is known as active voice. Now, you will also like to know what is subject. Subject is that part of the sentence which is doing the action. Action means some activity. For example, my mother cooks food. Here, my mother is subject, cooks is verb, and food is object. Why my mother is subject? Because she is the doer of the action. And what is action? Action is cooking. And food is the object. Once you understand these three words, what is subject, what is verb, and what is object, it's very easy for you to understand active and passive voice. Now in the sentence, my mother cooks food, as I've already told you, my mother is subject, cooks is food, cooks is verb, and food is object. Here we are giving importance to my mother. So this is an active sentence. On the contrary, if we say food is cooked by my mother, in that case we are giving importance to food. Means object, that is food, comes in place of subject, and subject, that is my mother, it becomes agent. And in passive voice we say food is cooked by my mother. So this is passive sentence, although meaning of these two sentences is same. We will take some more examples. Now, a sentence can be written in either active voice or passive voice without changing the meaning of it. I have already told you that there is no change in the meaning, only form of the sentence is changed. Both the sentences are same, meaning wise both the sentences are same, but verb form is different. I say my mother cooks food, okay, and in passive voice we say it like that, food is cooked by my mother. So meaning is same, but form of the verb is changed, and how this form is changed, that will come where that will study under the rules. There are certain rules which we have to follow to change an active sentence into the passive. When the verb in a sentence shows that subject is the doer of the action, the verb is in the active voice. And when verb in the sentence shows that subject is the receiver of the verb, then it is in the passive voice. Now I take another examples. One example I took, my mother cooks food. Now second example is Ram tells a story. Now in this sentence, who is the subject? Who is telling the story? Ram. So Ram is the subject. Tells is verb and a story is object. Okay. We have given preference to Ram. We have given importance to Ram. So this is a active voice. Passive voice. A verb is in the passive voice when the person or thing denoted by the subject is the receiver of the action. Then the subject is passive or is acted upon. As I have already told you, Ram tells a story. This is an active sentence because Ram is the doer of the action. Action is tell and object is story. Now, when we say a story is told by Ram, this becomes passive. Meaning is same, only the form is changed. We bring object first, then we use helping verb, then we use third form of the verb, that is tell is converted into told, and then we use by and afterwards subject, that is Ram. So in this way, an active sentence is converted into passive voice. Now next examples we will study in my next video.